Hello everyone, welcome to our Insta Baddie transformation video, girl. Why do I have salsa on my hoodie? This is actually my son's hoodie and I had salsa for breakfast and chips. In today's video, we are gonna go from busted to baddie.
Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Make sure you also follow me on Insta. Let's get started. Baddie transformation.
So, as you can see, I'm already well into the baddie transformation. Okay, we got the brows on. We have, you know, the first step to becoming an Instagram baddie is like doing your foundation. So you need a cake face. There is nothing, why am I out of breath? There's nothing that we could do about that. You cannot be the Insta baddie unless you have the full face of foundation. And then next I did some super light concealer, and then you gotta pack on the under eye, and I guess this is called bake, I don't know, but we've been doing this for years and it's just like catching the fallout. I did my nose contour, which is just around here, and we will slightly blend it out when we get to the end of the road. Next, I'm going to take this angle brush and bam. Because part of being an Insta baddie is extremely harsh contour lines and extremely bright highlight. Okay. The next thing we're gonna do, well, first of all, let me show you the inspo for this. Okay, I did get a Instagram baddie inspiration picture, but I'm actually not going to be doing all of this because I don't have 2 hours today. So I think it's going to be more along the lines of this Insta baddie. I just googled Insta baddie makeup. So again, I'm going to be focused on more of the contour and the highlight, and more of like a neutral eye and then a matte overlined lip.
Starting with our favorites, or my favorite transition color of all time. This is Texture by MAC, and we are just taking that fluffy brush and sweeping it on the middle or the crease of the eye in both areas. Make sure you blend, blend, blend.
Now, so yeah, I just layered on that texture here, and then just just blended it out up towards the brow. And I went and just to like give this a little more shape, because we're gonna pop a highlighter in there with my favorite brush, a MAC 227. We're gonna do the MAC 227, and we are going to, let's see, we are going to take, we're going to use this neutral palette that I've had for centuries, MAC rice paper, to achieve this baddie highlight. So just packing it on this brush and just placing it bam there and swiping. Okay, we're going to clean this up, don't you worry. The way that I do my highlight is I just put it on and then I blend it, and I figure everything else out later. Trying to be careful to not go too far up into that brow. Okay, next I'm using MAC Sable. Actually, I already did it. I just took a little on my ring finger and just dabbed it right here on the inner corner. I'm going to take this angled brush by Afterglow Cosmetics, I think. And we're just going to pop the tiniest amount of color. This is MAC Take MAC Embark and I'm just going to drop that brush here. And remember, we don't want too much. The whole Instagram baddie thing, I feel like is more about like youthful appearance, you know. So I probably have too much makeup as it is right now, but it's all good. We're gonna rock with it. So I'm just putting it in that inner corner. So this is it for the eyes. Let's touch up the brows and then we're gonna move on to the eyeliner, which is really where the magic happens. I'm just taking the brow pomade and applying. No talking while we're doing liner. Absolutely not. This eye look like this eye. We're not far off. So what I'm gonna do is just even out the eyeliner, and we have to apply lashes. Some of you know I used to sell lashes. So these are vegan lashes that were actually certified vegan. Ooh. But apparently you guys like the mink. Apparently you don't care about the minks. You know what I'm saying? They're actual animals that. But anyways, these are my vegan lashes that I used to sell. And so I'm gonna pop some lashes on, and I'm gonna be back with some hair maybe, and we're gonna finish up this look. Lashes is definitely my least favorite thing to do, but when we are trying to transform into an Insta baddie, we need those lashes. So my left lash is a little bit hanging on for dear life, but it's all good. Let's go ahead and do the lips. We are gonna go on with I guess this NYX liner. It's a nude. We're gonna do the nude lip because that's all, you know, that is what it is. We're gonna overline. Well, my skin is really dry, you guys. But one thing that I really love to do is use lip liners as lip color because they give the matte look. I like matte looking lips. You could stop here, but I'm gonna go ahead and add this Huda Beauty matte liquid lipstick. Matte liquid lipstick on top of the liner. Just gonna lighten it up, and I have a piece of skin on my lip. This is disgusting. Oh well. So we are overlined slightly, but I do have lip filler, so yeah. So now I'm gonna fix the hair. I'm gonna fix the hair and then I'll snap pictures, but I'm missing a very important part of becoming an Insta baddie. I don't have my sideburns out, or like my little curly cues, which I feel just bring a wig together, as well as what's it called, the things, the little swoopy things, baby hairs. I don't have time for that, but I have gotten dressed, and I am going to pair this with these super cute Versace boots that are inspired by, apparently J-Lo.
I meant to say the Versace dress that J-Lo wore at one of those award shows.
So of course we cannot forget the fragrance. So here I have Ambery Saffron, and I have Woody Sandalwood by Dossier. I will have all the details of the dupes, like what dupes these are for, in the description box. They started like this new layering, I don't want to say program, but campaign. So anyways, I am layering the Woody Sandalwood and the Ambery Saffron. The Woody as the perfect warmth and spice, not even spice, I don't even know how to explain it. The Woody as that wood and I think tobacco. I'll list all the scents. I'm not up on like how to describe scents and under notes and all this other crap. But this I feel like is the more masculine scent of the two, the woody sandalwood and then the Ambery Saffron comes in and they marry and make a beautiful fragrance. This makes in my opinion, makes the scent more feminine to me. And so that's why it's perfect. Of course, you can use them on their own, but you can marry them to, you know, make a blend. And then you have the two separate scents. So basically you are getting 3 fragrances.
So how do you think we did? I think I achieved the Insta Baddie look. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know how you liked this video and if you want more kind of like transformation fun videos. This was a lot. It was a lot of fun to do. I got all dressed up like this and I went absolutely nowhere. So thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.